Hi everyone, good day wherever you are watching this right now. My name is Ifajimi Fakayode if you are watching for the first time, and I'm a spiritual consultant, I'm a traditional herbalist, and today I bring you another spiritual tip, and it's a great spiritual tip. It has to do with love spell, love binding, and all of that. So this came as a request, and I'm making it public for you as my subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will advise you to subscribe so that you'll be able to benefit from videos like this. Right before we go to the business, I would like to discuss what this mean and how it works. So this is particularly for people who have problem with their partners. Maybe their partner is not stable, their partner is not, is not reciprocating the love. The much they are giving into that relationship is not being reciprocated. So if you are facing this kind of problem, here is the solution for you. I posted a video like this in the past. So, but some people were complaining that they cannot perform it because it has to do with rivers and the place they are. They cannot find the river, they cannot find the something like a water they can put that in. Then I promised I'm going to post another one which is going to be very easier. So if you can watch this carefully, this is going to be very useful. I will advise you to watch from the beginning to the end, and make sure you like this video and share for more. So for this tip, you are going to get just 3 items, and that is it. Just 3 items. So if you are among those that are complaining that the one I posted in the past, it is not easier, this one is going to be very useful and it is very easier. So if you cannot do that one of that time, I will advise you to do this one. It's also working as well. So you are going to get an alligator pepper. You are going to get an alligator pepper. So I will advise you to buy a whole alligator pepper and something like this. So this is what you are going to need. This is an alligator pepper. So you are going to buy an alligator pepper. You are going to buy a white handkerchief, a plain white handkerchief like this. You are going to buy a plain white handkerchief like this. Then you are going to print his or her picture. So assuming there is a partner you are trying to get, your partner is not stable, just like I was saying that this is for people who have problem with their relationship. Maybe in one of the two ways, the love is not being reciprocated. Even if your partner is far away, this is going to be useful. So all I need for you, if you watch this and you want this to work for you, you should like this video and share it, because it costs you nothing to reciprocate the kind gesture I am giving you. So this is very simple. Actually, you are going to do this for like 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days. So, and how are you going to do it? So you are going to get the alligator pepper, just like I said. After you've bought the alligator pepper, you will buy an handkerchief, a white plain handkerchief like this, an handkerchief. You can see the one I'm holding right here. Then you are going to print his picture, the picture that is showing his face or his whole body. You are going to print it. Only his picture, not your pictures together. Don't mix it. So you are going to print his picture. And if you are a man, you want to do this, you are going to print a picture. So just one picture is enough. Okay, just one picture is enough for this. And how are you going to do it? So in the night, when you are about to sleep, it should be around maybe 12 a.m., 1 a.m., and starting from 11, 12, and to 1 a.m. That's the best time you can do this. So you are going to place this, you are going to place this under your pillow. So you, assuming there is a bed you are sleeping on, so you are going to place this handkerchief on that spot where you will put your head and where you are going to put the pillow. The white handkerchief, a very plain white handkerchief. You must not use the one at home or the one you've used. A very plain white handkerchief, you are going to place it on the bed. So, and then you are going to place his picture facing up. You are going to place each picture facing up. You are going to place it on this white handkerchief. So you are firstly going to place this on the bed. After placing this on the bed, you will place his picture gently facing up on that, or a picture facing up on that white handkerchief. Then you are going to take 9 alligator pepper. If the person happens to be a man, so assuming you are a woman, you are a lady, you are a girl that wants to try this, and you want your man to love you, to reciprocate the love, so you are going to take 9 seeds of alligator peppers. 9 seed of alligator pepper, you are going to put it on your left palm like this. You are going to put it on your left palm. If you are a man and you want your girlfriend or your woman or your wife or whoever to love you, to reciprocate the love. So even if you have a boss, this is multi-purpose spell. It works to that extent. If you have a boss and the boss is not loving you in your work, doesn't like you in that your work you are doing, so you are going to put. So assuming you are a man, you are going to put 7 seed of alligator pepper on your left palm. So if you are a woman, 9 seed of alligator pepper. If you are a man, 7 seed. So if you are directing the spell to someone, it has to base on the agenda. I hope you understand. So after placing the 9 seed, assuming you are a woman, you want to do this. After placing the 9 seed of alligator pepper on your left palm, you will put it all in your mouth. You will chew it. You will chew it. So after chewing it very well, you will now take the picture from the white handkerchief. So you will put it on your left palm. You will now say this incantation, and this is where I need your attention the most, because this incantation, you must say it correctly if you want this to work. So this incantation must be said the same way I said it. So if you cannot remember, you can screen record this video right now, this particular part. This just 3 incantation you are going to say, irrespective of any language you speak. Just try and speak it. Just try any means and speak it. These 3 incantation, and it is called Olusalala. You get that? Olusalala. You are going to call that 3 times. Then you begin your prayer, your wishes. Assuming now I want a girlfriend or a woman to love me, I will say Olusalala 3 times. Then I will mention his name or her name into it after saying that word, that strong word. That is Olusalala. After saying it, you will now mention his or her name. So assuming the person is Robert, you want Robert to love you, you say Olusalala. If you know his mother's name, that's going to be better. But if you don't know his mother's name, then no problem. You are going to say Olusalala 3 times. After saying Olusalala 3 times, so person of the daughter of so person, or the son of so person, I want him to do this. I want him to do that. I want him to love me extremely. I want him to be thinking about me. I want him to be dreaming about me. That's the prayer. So I want this so person to be dreaming about me. Say that. After saying that, you will now take your pillow. You will take your pillow. So you will place back the picture on the white handkerchief. Then you will take your pillow. You will spit little of that thing in your mouth on that pillow. On the side you are going to place on this thing, because you are going to place the pillow on this picture and the white handkerchief. You will spit the thing after saying your prayer and saying that incantation I just mentioned, which is Olusalala. You can screen record that or write it down. Olusalala. You are going to call that 3 times. You are going to say it and spit it on that pillow. Then you will spit the remaining one on this picture. Then you will now place the pillow on that picture. I hope you understand. So that is, you are going to spit that thing in your mouth, the alligator pepper you chewed and you've said your prayer. You are going to spit it on that picture, and then you place and you spit it under the pillow. You place the pillow on this picture with the white handkerchief. Then you place your head on it and sleep. So it is better if you are the kind that sleep alone. So, but if you sleep with someone else, well, you can also try it. But it's better if you are trying this, maybe you sleep alone, like you don't share the bed with anyone at that moment. So it is going to be very perfect. But if you are the kind that doesn't live alone, then you can try it. Maybe where so if you do this accurately, the person is going to dream of you. The person you are going to get into his or her head is going to be thinking of you. This is one of the confirmed and the spiritual simple spirit love spell you can try by yourself. So just like I said, all I need from you is to share this and like, and make sure you comment and share, so and subscribe, so that I'll be motivated to post more. Another one is coming very soon on this channel. It's going to be very easier like this. So for people complaining they cannot practice the previous one we've posted, I think this one is simple. So do appreciate by subscribing and like and share. Thank you so much. I still remain your spiritualist. Yeah, before we conclude the video, you are going to repeat this process the same way you did that. You are going to repeat it for like 3 or 4 days. So 3 or 4 days, you are going to repeat it for like 3 or 4 days. After